There, Dale from Peace Rocks and Garden. Quick little video here. I'm gonna switch it around. Linkmicro digital microscope I got for Christmas from my lovely wife. The specimen's right there. I'm not gonna move it because it's gonna mess this up. But this is what I'm looking at. I've got it pretty much maxed out to how I can zoom in on it with this particular lens. I do have another lens actually that I can get in a little closer, and then a super duper close lens. But however, what I'm looking at here, I actually thought was just a little tiny speck of dirt. So check that out, okay? That's crystals. But if I take it out of the microscope and look at it here, I was going to try and clean this out because I was thinking it was a speck of dirt. Sorry, I'm having a real hard time hanging on to this little thing. Maybe if I put it down. There, you can see it. Looks like a down speck of dirt. But it's not. It's actually this little tiny microcrystal formation. Super cool. Anyways, a lot of people say, like, you know, this is doesn't take good pictures, but I would never have known that wasn't dirt if it wasn't for this lovely gift from my wife. Anyways, I find this really valuable. I haven't got a whole lot of experience with it. You'll probably find more videos coming down the pipe with me using this, but happy days. Cool discovery. Thanks.